Top 16 mountain peaks of Pakistan. 1. Ke16, height 8,616 meters, world rating second. 2. Nanga Parbat, height 8,125 meters, world rating 8th. 3. ke16 1, height 8,068 meters, world rating 11th. 4. Broad Peak, height 8,065 meters, world rating 12th. 5. ke16 2, height 8,047 meters, world rating 14th. 6. ke16 3, height 7,952 meters, world rating 15th. 7. ke16 4, height 7,925 meters, world rating 16th. 8. Distegel Sar, height 7,885 meters, world rating 20th. 9. Kunyang Kish, height 7,852 meters, world rating 22nd. 10. Masher Brum, height 7,821 meters, world rating 24th. 11. Rakaposhi, height 7,788 meters, world rating 27th. 12. Batura 1, height 7,785 meters, world rating 28th. 13. Kanjut Sar, height 7,760 meters, world rating 29th. 14. Saltoro Kangri, height 7,742 meters, world rating 33rd. 15. Triver, height 7,720 meters, world rating 36th. 16. Tirich Mir, height 7,708 meters, world rating 41st. Hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe the channel for more knowledgeable videos.